want to start with a compilation of quotes from a book that has heavily guided my studies in language, written by Karen M. Rose, who is also a child of the African diaspora, titled The Spiritual Herbalism Companion. Her words read, "The framework of spiritual herbalism is built on a relational vision of health, with the understanding that we cannot heal alone in a vacuum. A healthy relationship with our families, communities, environment, earth, and spirit is necessary to heal. We utilize plants consciously and sustainably to heal our spirit and body and connect back to the land, our communities, and our ancestors. We uplift our ancestors' teachings, honor and revere their work, and align ourselves with their traditional practices to heal our generations forward and backward. Plants teach us how to access our resilience, and they are resilient even through the devastation of their environment. Plants help us navigate finding harmony by supporting knowledge of the self, which creates agency and power. Plant medicine turns us inward to witness the self, reclaim our ancestors' resilience, and fortify our spirit so we can do the work of healing." I'm honored to share these words of hers alongside my research and studies over the past years to encourage healing on the earth today. These videos are meant to be an elementary guide into further learning and personal research. If I were to impart all of my nuanced studies, they would each be 30 minutes long. I implore that you take information from this video as an outline to your education and continue the work.
Lavender is known to be a plant commonly associated with cool, dry, yang energies. As a plant guided by the planet Mercury, the element of air, and the sign of Gemini, it exists with the duality of being stimulating and sedative as itself at all times. An interesting example of the duality of lavender is how he can help quell PMS and menopausal symptoms, and at the same time can stimulate uterine contractions during childbirth. Whereas cayenne ignites the nervous system and processes of the body, lavender calms the nerves and clears heat from the body. He can be used in ailments regarding the nervous and digestive systems. For example, tension headaches, asthma due to anxiety, colic, fainting, depression, fear, insomnia, dizziness, and muscle spasms. He is more stimulating in matters of the digestive systems, such as treating halitosis or bad breath, and used as a digestive. Lavender's strong, protective, and calming energies also lend to him being an antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory, as it was used pre-World War I as an antiseptic to dress wounds. Lavender's Latin name is Lavandula angustifolia, but is also known by elf-lead, nard, or spikenard as mentioned in the Bible, and also different species are called by common names such as English lavender or garden lavender, Spanish lavender, and French lavender. Lavender is native to the Mediterranean and can grow in USDA hardiness zones 5A through 5-9 and enjoy full sun and dry sandy soil. He grows in small shrubs that can be about 1 to 4 feet tall, with grayish-looking leaves and with flower spikes growing up above the foliage. The flowers grow in whorls around the spike, in colors ranging from blue to violet to blackish purple to yellowish hues, with tubular petals and reproductive parts. He can be easily propagated by transplanting, cuttings, or seed. We use the flowers of this plant, but be cautious of using too much of them during pregnancy. Don't use large doses. In the Middle Ages, lavender flowers were spread across the floors to repel moths with their aroma as they were stepped on, and to wake fainted corset-wearing women. During the plague, it was burned in the sick rooms to help prevent the spread of disease. And he is still used today in these ways, but in a more modern fashion, such as sprays, incense, candles, and sachets kept in closets. Along with the long list of treatments I've already mentioned, lavender can also help soothe the skin, lavender oil being an immediate pain reliever for burns and scalds and beginning to heal the skin. Spiritually, he can be used to evoke sleep divination through dreams, to purify for third eye activating during baths, and to calm and protect one's thoughts, bringing self-love, peace, and clarity. The dosages of lavender are about 1 teaspoon in 1 cup of boiling water for 10 minutes as an infusion like tea, 15 to 30 drops of a tincture up to 3 times a day, or for a stronger infusion used only externally, like as a mouthwash, scalp rinse, or douche, steep 1 tablespoon in 1 cup of water for 40 minutes. Lavender oils can be used and diluted into carrier oils to be used as natural insect repellents, insect bite treatment, and to treat painful joints, sore muscles, cellulite, and more. If you have any ways you use lavender, please leave them below and with any questions you may have, and I'll do my best to get you an answer. Thanks for watching.